Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about photosynthesis. Are you ready? So let's get started. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Plants have a special part called chlorophyll that captures sunlight. They use the sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar that plants use for food. Oxygen is also produced during this process, which is great for us because we need oxygen to breathe. Trees, like the lungs of the earth, they produce the oxygen we need and take in the carbon dioxide we exhale. That's why it's so important to protect our forests and plant more trees. That's all for today's science adventure. Today we learned about photosynthesis. Science is all around us and it's so much fun to learn about how things work. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting science videos. See you next time.